Hello, I'm Debravalencia. I'm an artist, author, and art educator. I've also licensed my artwork to over 100 manufacturers, also known as licensees, who then mass produce the products to sell in the retail market. I then receive royalties on each unit sold. If you're interested in licensing your artwork for royalties, it's essential to register the copyright for each piece of artwork. Owning the copyright is an important clause in any licensing contract. So I developed an easy course called Copyright Your Artwork for artists, illustrators, and photographers. And in this course, I show you how to do it yourself without an attorney, saving you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars in costs. I go live on the copyright website and I show you step by step how to fill out the forms without being confused by the legalese. It only takes about an hour for your first application and account setup, and after that, it only takes about 10 minutes for each future application. It's that simple.